Once Tori and Mike started officially dating, we all knew there was no turning back. They were perfect for each other. Talking with Tori, going out with Tori, being ridiculously weird or goofy with Tori, my friendship has always been easy and natural.
It's occurred to me a bunch that the shy little girl I've known for many, many years and said many years ago that she probably wouldn't leave the house till she was 40 has left us behind and exceeded all our expectations, and you've made us more proud than we could ever want to be. And I wish you both the happiest, most exciting lives.
I, Victoria, take you, Michael, for my lawful husband,
to have and hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish until death do us part.
to love and to cherish until death do us part.
Before you go in peace, let me be the first to introduce you, Mr. and Mrs. Michael F. Barton. Congratulations, Michael, making you bride.
Have I told you lately that I love you? Can I tell you once again, somehow? Have I told with all my heart and soul how I adore you? Well, darling, I'm telling you now. Have I told you lately when I'm sleeping? Every dream I dream is you somehow. Have I told you why the nights are long when you're not with me? Oh, darling, I'm telling you now. My heart would break in two if I should lose you. It's no good without you anyhow. Have I told you lately that I love you? Well, my darling, I'm I'm telling you now. Have I told you how the nights are long when you're not with me? Well, darling, I'm telling you now. My heart would break in two if I should lose you. It's me.
I wandered around and finally found somebody who.
Well, darling, I'm telling you now. My sweet darling, I'm telling you now. Darling, I'm telling you